Magandang araw at magandang gabi po sa mga nakakapanood sa gabi at sa lahat po ng naabot ng video na ito. Welcome po dito sa ANB o Awoy Bakes Videos. Ngayon po ay meron po tayong video mula kay The Most. Ito po, ito po yung mga list of equipment ng Philippine Army. So, Philippine Army po, take note. Ngayong 2025, so alamin natin kung ano-ano po ito. So, play na po natin ang video kasi medyo mahaba-haba po ito. Kaya, sige, simulan na po natin. Ito po. Ganda na simula.
This is a list of equipment used by the Philippine Army, the branch of the armed forces of the Philippines that specializes in ground warfare. The service has made use of its existing equipment to fulfill its mandate while modernization projects are underway. Armored vehicles, tanks and fire support vehicles. Sabre Ascot 2, Pandur II 8x8 105mm, M113 fire support vehicles, FV-101 Scorpion, infantry fighting vehicles.
So marami na po pala tayong tangke, no? So nakalagay din po doon kung ano yung bilang, yung nakikita nyo pong number na kulay pula, no? Tapos bago yung pangalan ng tangke, no? So yun po yung kung ilan. At yung iba naman po ay walang nakalagay. Ibig sabihin na wala pong idea kung ilan po yun. O wala pong inilabas na idea kung ilan po yung ganong unit. So tuloy na po ulit natin yung video.
Armored Infantry Fighting Vehicles, M113 Infantry Fighting Vehicles FMC, GKN Simba Infantry Fighting Vehicles 4x4, Armored Personnel Carriers, ACV-15 FNSS Armored Personnel Carrier, M113 Armored Personnel Carrier, Iveco Guarani 6x6 Armored Personnel Carrier, Simba 4x4 GKN FS100 Armored Personnel Carrier, Cadillac Gauge Commando V150, Mine-Resistant Ambush Protected Vehicles, Bigfoot CP3 MRAP, Armored Light Tactical Vehicle, AM General Humvee, KIA Light Tactical Vehicle, Steelcraft MX-8 Armored Escort Vehicle, Combat and Command Support Vehicles, GDEL's Ascot Command Vehicle, M934 Command Vehicle, Recovery Vehicles, Ascot Recovery Vehicles, Armored Recovery Vehicle IFV, Artillery.
So yun po yung mga yung tinatawag natin mga tangke, no? Marami na po tayo palang mga ganong klase, no? At nakikita naman nyo kung yung iba kung ilang piraso, no? At hindi na po natin pwedeng baliwalain po yung ganon, kaya yun po yung naging dahilan kaya mas lalong humina na po yung mga kalaban na makakaliwa, yun po yung mga NPA kasi dumami po at talagang mag-increase talaga, no? Develop yung ating mga panglaban, no, equipment.
Mortar, M6 mortar, M24 mortar, M75 mortar, M8 mortar, M69 mortar, M29 mortar, Sultan Cardam mortar, Field artillery, M101 towed howitzer, M102 towed howitzer, Otto Melara Model Force Pack howitzer, M3 towed howitzer, M114 towed howitzer, Sultan M71 towed howitzer, Atmos 2000,
Ito po yung bago nating howitzer na talagang ipinagmamalaki natin ngayon, no? At kung nakita niyo yung mga ibang howitzer pa na yung kanina, no, yung pinakita dito sa video na ito, at talagang malalaki at hindi rin po biro yung bilang ng dami nito. Malaki talagang inuunlad ng equipment ng ating Philippine Army, no? Hindi pa ho usaping Navy to, Army pa lang po ito.
Unmanned Aerial Vehicle UAV. Elbit Hermes 450. Elbit Skylark 3. Raptor and Night Falcon UAV. Thor AV. Miniature UAV Taro X4. DJI Phantom Series UV. Mavic Series Miniature UAV. DJI Spark Series Miniature UAV. Watercrafts. Airboats. 8-meter patrol.
So ngayon, dito naman tayo sa mga watercraft ng Army, no? Yung kanina pinakita yung drones, no? So kung makikita nyo, wala pong nakalagay kung ilang piraso po yun. For sure, napakarami po natin yan dahil yun ay maliliit na bagay lamang, ano? At yun ay palatandaan na tayo ay high-tech na rin pagdating sa tinatawag na digma.
8-meter patrol boat. Riverine assault boat. Condor scout boats. Condor support boats. Combat engineering equipment. Elbit joint assault bridge. Norinco GQL-111 vehicle launched bridge. Zhanyang GDG-130 armored backhoe loader. FNSS Kunduz armored combat earth move. Armtrack 100-350 vehicle-mounted mine detection. Case 1650L medium armored bulldozer. Dry support bridge. Tactical military vehicles. KIA KM450 series utility vehicles. BJ 2022 utility vehicles. Satco 2-ton utility vehicle. MLN 52 Maxi ambulance. KAKM 250 series cargo truck. M35 series cargo truck. Dongfeng EQ 2082 series utility vehicle. KIA KM 500 series 5-ton utility vehicle.
Yung mga ganitong klaseng truck po, talagang napakarami po natin yan. Hindi na po nakakapagtaka yan, ano?
M939 series 5-ton utility vehicle. M809 series 5-ton utility vehicle. M54 series 5-ton utility vehicle. Ural 4328 8-ton heavy utility vehicle. Rheinmetall military vehicles TG Mill.
So yun po, no, yun po yung mga list nung meron ang Philippine Army, no. Hindi pa po kasama diyan. Kung mapapansin niyo kasi luma yung mga eroplano, so hindi pa po kasama diyan yung Philippine Air Force natin at yung Navy. Nandun po kasi yung mga most advanced po natin. Pero marami po rin tayong most advanced na pinakita dito, kagaya yung mga tank at saka mga howitzer at saka yung mga tinatawag nating drones, no, at yung mga anti-tank, no, na missile, no, yung tinatawag na hand missile po tawag doon, no. So nakikita natin dito, ito po yung tinatawag na parade, ano, nung nakaraang anibersaryo ng ating military. So hanggang dito na lang po at sana po ay madagdagan pa po ito, no. So hanggang dito na lang po. Maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa muli.